Crispy chicken parmesan. Time, 45 minutes. Yield. For servings, crispy chicken parmesan basically needs no introduction. All you have to do is say the name aloud, and everyone within earshot will agree it sounds amazing all on its own. And if you think your ears are impressed, just wait until you actually take a bite. Each chicken breast is pan-fried with a golden or brown breadcrumb jacket sprinkled with sharp parmesan flavor to juicy perfection. Then it takes a lovely jaunt in the oven with a blanket of rich, sweet tomato sauce, aromatic basil, and melty mozzarella, infusing each bite with classic Italian flavors without compromising the satisfying crunch. Weeknights that end with a plate of crispy chicken parmesan end in the best way. Ingredients for chicken breast halves: skinless and boneless salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper to taste, 2 large eggs, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, 3/4 cup Parmesan cheese, grated, divided, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons olive oil, plus more to taste, 1/2 cup prepared tomato sauce, 1/4 cup fresh mozzarella, cut into small cubes, 1/4 cup fresh basil, chopped, 1/2 cup provolone cheese, grated. Directions: Step 1. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees F. Step 2. Place the chicken breast between 2 sheets of heavy plastic wrap on a level surface. Step 3. Firmly pound the chicken with the smooth side of a meat mallet or the bottom of a frying pan to 1/2 inch thickness. Step 4. Season the chicken with the salt and the pepper. Step 5. In a shallow bowl, beat the eggs. Step 6. Mix the breadcrumbs and 1/2 cup of the Parmesan cheese in a separate shallow bowl. Step 7. Place the flour in a sifter or a strainer and sprinkle the flour over the chicken breasts, evenly coating both sides. Step 8. Dip the flour-coated chicken in the beaten eggs, and then into the breadcrumb Parmesan mixture, pressing the crumbs to adhere on both sides of the chicken halves. Step 9. Let the chicken rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 10. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add enough of the extra olive oil to fill about 1/2 inch, and heat until it shimmers. Step 11. Add the chicken halves into the hot oil until golden, about 2 minutes per side. Don't worry if the chicken is not cooked through yet, as it will finish cooking in the oven. Step 12. Transfer the chicken to a baking dish. Step 13. Top each chicken breast with 2 tablespoons of the tomato sauce. Step 14. Layer each chicken breast with equal amounts of the mozzarella, the basil, and the provolone cheese. Step 15. Sprinkle each of the chicken halves with the remaining Parmesan cheese and the remaining 2 teaspoons of the olive oil. Step 16. Bake until the cheese is browned and bubbly and the chicken is cooked through at 165 degrees F, about 15 to 20 minutes. Step 17 to your delicious crispy chicken parmesan. Thanks for watching and sharing it to your family and friends. See you next video.